To track or navigate the coordinate point using the app. The name of this app is called Avenza. We have several apps on the channel that we cover on how to use them and how features of navigating, like field area measurements. You can use it for navigating, and we have the video on the channel. This is one of the app also that you can use for navigating, just like mobile topographer. You can also use mobile topographer for navigating as well. You can use it to navigate coordinate points. Watch me while I share with you on how to use this Avenza app to navigate coordinate points. Once you launch this app and you have your mobile data on, you click on open base map. So when you click on open base map, it is going to load the base map of the area where you are, and you click on this navigation icon on my right hand side. At the top side, you will see beside the north arrow, the one up that is on green. I'll click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to show your exact location, right? So after that, the next thing we can do with this app is that when you click on these icons that looks like a pencil, when you click on it, we have the drop down draw and measure. We have record GPS tracks. You can record GPS track, navigate to a destination, find by coordinates and likes. And it also have a pro version. You can just explore on this when you immediately download the app. So basically, I'll be sharing with you on how to navigate a destination, your coordinate point. So in doing that, I'll click on navigate to a destination. Now we have this interface that shows locations. We have tracking and navigation. So what's the difference between these three? The first of all, let me share with you on this. Let me start with this navigation. This navigation has project destination. We have navigate to features and enter coordinate method. Enter coordinate. So I'll be making use of this coordinates, enter coordinate for this tutorial. So I'll click on enter coordinates, and here you can provide the coordinate point that you want to navigate. As you can see, I have this coordinate point, so I'll paste the coordinate as geographical coordinate and I'll click OK. So immediately I click on OK, you can see it brought out a notification that I have a place mark navigation. When you zoom out on the screen, you will see this is my location, and the navigation point, the coordinates where I want to track, that I want to navigate to, is on red. When you look at the map screen, you will see this is where I want to navigate to. It's going to give you the distance between your current location and the point that you are going. And right on the place mark interface, you will realize that we have some information that shows the speed and kilometer, how you are moving, either you are on transit or you want to navigate using your walking down to the location. And also we have the distance. It will tell you the distance between your location and the point you want to navigate to. And as you are moving, you're going to have a view of how it is through the map. So what I'll do now is to start moving. I'll start moving, and you realize the distance is going to change while moving. You realize the distance has been decreasing from 24 meters. It's now currently on 20 meters, right? It's now on 19. So while we are still on it, let me quickly move it to tracking. So when I click on tracking and I'll click on start tracking, what this simply means is that when you look at the screen here, you see it's going to, that is the one for tracking, will be showing your movements. So let me return back to navigation. So let's move. That is how to navigate to a coordinate point using your Avenza app. And also there are some other settings you can make while using this app. During the navigation, I'm already moving back to the previous location, and during the navigation settings, like when you go to settings, so we have this unit of measurement. This is where you can set it to be on meters, kilometer, feet, yard and likes, and also the speed You can make it to be on kilometer per hour or minutes per second, angles and other things, but you don't really need to do much on this except the distance, which should be on meters. And also we also have some other relevant features on the app, like when you click on open base map. When you click on open base map, let me just close this, let me delete this previous. When I click on layer, I want to delete the previous navigation, the layer, right? That has been deleted. So let me open new base map. Now under this new base map, we have some other things you can work with using this app, like when you click on draw and measure, so you can carry out drawing and measure using the app. Placing my tracker on the edge here, I'll click add point and I can easily move it. You can see the bearing and the coordinate points. I'll click on add points and it also shows the distance. So just like other mobile softwares that we use for taking measurements on the field, it also have the features for that. We have open in Google Maps. So when you click on open in Google Map, this particular base map now is going to load in Google Map for you. That is, you can have a view of what you are doing on Google Map. You can explore more using this app to see other relevant things it can do. With this, I believe you can easily launch your Avenza app and track how to coordinate yourself. And if you found this video helpful, ensure you subscribe, likes and share. Thank you and see you on the next video.